Have you ever wondered why so many buildings in Nigeria end up with damp walls, peeling paint, or even mold? Now, in today's video, I'll break down the real causes of dampness in our buildings and how you can prevent it in your own home. Now, dampness isn't just ugly. It weakens your walls, damages your finishes, your paints, and can even cause health issues. Man, that's not good. So sadly, it's one of the most common building problems in Nigeria. So with that, I'm going to give you 4 causes of dampness in buildings. Number 1, rising damp. So that's basically, capillary action. That's water moving up from the foundation because of missing DPC. So that's basically damp-proof cause. So the next one is penetrating damp. So that's rainwater seeping through cracks in walls, leaking roofs, or bad window installations. So the third one is condensation. So this is basically moisture inside the house due to poor ventilation. So the last one is plumbing leaks. This one, I always preach it all the time. Always have service ducts. Don't think about doing conduit piping. When the jungle matures, that pipe will just mess up your walls. Every building that had those pipes buried in the walls always tend to have those issues. So let's look at the solutions and the preventions. Well, to be honest, prevention is always better than cure. I'm sure we hear this like every time. So the first one, always install DPC or damp-proof course during your foundation work. Very important. Now the second one, use proper roof overhangs and quality window fittings. I can't even stress this enough. All this whole like parapet wall and stuff. Oh my God, you live in Nigeria. Stop doing that. We're just causing more problems for ourselves without even realizing it. Now, apply waterproof coatings on walls exposed to heavy rain. Ensure that there is good drainage around your building. There should be no stagnant water because that can definitely seep in and then cause dampness. Remember, water rising, capillary action, it's very real. Now, improve your indoor ventilation. A lot of houses these days in Nigeria, people capitalize on small windows and there's little or no ventilation in the building. So I don't know why people do that these days. I think it's aesthetics. I think it's, some people say, to save costs, but I don't believe that. See, I believe principles are still principles. Be generous with your windows. Come on, have a good ventilation and use, would you prefer to have a 50% ventilation when you can get 100% ventilation? Come on, doesn't make sense now. Even you guys breathe. That building has to breathe. Regularly inspect your plumbing leaks. I think this one is just a no-brainer, but personally for me, this is just a solution. Like I said, make sure you use service ducts. It's just the best, or plumbing ducts. It's just so much better than burying your pipes in the walls, to prevent that scenario where there's a leakage and your walls get damp. You won't like it. So whether it's on the ground, the roof, or even inside your house, dampness has so many causes. But the good news is that it can be prevented. Now, if you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more building tips, and share with anyone planning to build or renovate in Nigeria. And in the comments, tell me, have you experienced dampness in your buildings? Let me know. All right, see you guys.